pag-asa araw-araw. Ladies and gentlemen, I am here, standing before you as your valedictorian, not because I never failed, but because I chose to rise every time. Because I adopted, I ensured, and I trusted the process. Padayon Batch 2024 to 2025. This is not the end of our story. This is just the most powerful beginning. Maraming salamat, daghang salamat. Thank you. And Batch 2024 to 2025 is now signing off. Thank you, everyone.